Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to discuss only meaning of emphatic pronoun and the difference between reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Earlier we have discussed about reflexive pronoun. Today we are going to discuss emphatic pronoun. So start with its definition. A pronoun that emphasizes upon the action done by the subject. Again I repeating, a pronoun that emphasize mean to give importance to something, means to give importance to noun or pronoun in the sentence. So a pronoun that emphasize upon the action done by the subject is called emphatic pronoun. In simple words we can say, students, in Hindi simple language we can say कि दृढ़तावाचक सर्वनाम जो एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन है, ये वो प्रोनाउन है जिसमें सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर जो मेन नाउन या प्रोनाउन हम एक वाक्य में या सेंटेंस में यूज कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर स्ट्रेस देता है, उसे इंपॉर्टेंस देता है. सो इट स्टार्ट ऑल्सो बाय एडिंग सेल्फ और सेल्फ्स. इसमें भी सेल्फ और सेल्फ्स का यूज होता है. बट इट कम्स जस्ट आफ्टर द पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. In simple words we can say that self and selves with the pronoun, it comes just after the personal pronoun. So here are some examples like I myself completed the task. अब इसमें आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि pronoun के just after myself लगाया गया है, जिसको ये स्ट्रेस देकर इसको इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहा है. The main subject in the sentence like I. Again he himself studied carefully. Again himself is called emphatic pronoun because it is just comes after the pronoun. So again in simple words we can say the word which stress and emphasize give importance to pronoun, that is called emphatic pronoun. Now its difference between emphatic and reflexive pronoun, because both the pronouns are starting with self and selves. So the difference is basically एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन में क्या डिफरेंस है और रिफ्लेक्सिव में. एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन जो शुरू होता है दे आर यूज टू एम्फसाइज नाउन और प्रोनाउन, मतलब ये नाउन और प्रोनाउन के ऊपर स्ट्रेस देते हैं. और रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन क्या है, द सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस आर द सेम पर्सन. मतलब कि स्टार्टिंग में जो सब्जेक्ट है और जो ऑब्जेक्ट लास्ट में लगाया जाता है सेंटेंस के यूज होता है, तो वो दे आर द सेम पर्सन. सो हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल. We can go through with examples and understand what is emphatic and reflexive pronoun. So again she herself opened the door. So again we are seeing here that herself is used just comes before the after the pronoun she. After she we use herself, that is emphatic pronoun because it is just comes after the pronoun. And reflexive pronoun, I heard myself. In this sentence we say see students that myself we are doing fix here after the and in the end of the sentence. So it is just comes after the pronoun or noun, or it is just comes after the in the last of the sentence. So this is called reflexive pronoun. So that is all for the day. We will do next type of pronoun in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.